We are ready. We are ready. We are ready. So we have our small heart RGB on a small tripod. The first thing that I'm pulling out right now is the tripod. It's about a 6-inch tripod and it is really, really cool. The next thing I'm pulling out is...
It's a little ball head. So this is just the light and the tripod and the ball head. Oh wait, and it comes with
a USB plug.
Yep.
Which you'll need to power your light, or you could use any USB power bank or battery. Yeah. So
here's the little light. So there's the 3 different color temperatures, and then you can go into RGB mode. And in RGB mode, you can select from all the different colors of the rainbow. And then it goes, after all the rainbow colors, it goes into a bunch of different crazy color modes.
Yeah, so many fun effects.
So many different effects. And the cool thing about these effects are you can make them go slow or go really fast. We're really, really excited about this one. It's got a lot of cool features. And that's about it.